21 things men love in women. When you want to know the things that men love about women, it's best to find out from the guys themselves. A girl's good looks are a major advantage when it comes to catching a man's attention, but that isn't enough to make him loving fall. You know things men love about a woman. This video for you. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. Don't miss more social psychology videos. Watch this video to the end and learn 21 traits of this video. Let's start. Number 1. Her playfulness. Men are really attractive when you are playful and relaxed, when they are flirting and not taking everything so seriously. Shows a very magnetic youth. Now, showing a light side can be very good because life gives us. Serious situations can have many reasons to be serious. It's so funny when we see this trait in someone because it's lightened by a sense of humor. Number 2. She is funny and has a sense of humor. Men are usually hardworking, tolerant of many things, and serious. We need a woman who knows how to put a smile on her face when things are not going well. We already know how men are attracted to women who have a good sense of humor, but it is equally important for men. It is important for a couple to be playful and joke with each other. It not only relaxes the mood, but also helps to make the time together more fun. Laughing together never ages. Men like it when a boy laughs at a girl or jokes about something he said. Number 3. She is charming. If a woman is attractive and can make others smile, she has the kindness and charm to get out of many difficult situations. It is better to be lazy and evil. Charm and grace are what attract men to women. Charm is something that comes into play after a fight, disagreement, or expiration. Everyone loves an attractive woman. Number 4. Being true and honest. Men want to know the genuine and honest woman they want to be, not the person you think is fake or he wants to be you, which means you have to be open. Risk factors include expressing your feelings and perspectives, which is the theme of many romantic jokes. The story begins with a man who believes she is arrogant from a tough woman who hides her feelings and then reveals her risks. When someone opens up and lets us see, he falls in love with her. We feel closely related to who they really are. Number 5. Being able to reach a compromise. While we all believe we are often in a relationship with someone who cannot reach a compromise that we are right, it is necessary to have a relationship with men who are not like women, and it is one of both giving and receiving. Practice that we can all improve. Number 6. Intelligent and trustworthy. The older generation preferred not only the book, but also the street intelligent woman. Now there's no difference. Men want a valuable partner as a wife. The more they learn from her, the more they want to find someone to learn from. That's what a power pair does. Number 7. Have a fit body. This is something to do with being healthy. It benefits your man as well as yourself. Take care of your body by eating well and exercising. A healthy body can go a long way in giving you the confidence to take over the world. Number 8. Self-aware. Self-awareness is not perfection. It simply implies that both partners are working to improve individually. In a woman, self-awareness creates security, thereby giving more space to communication, risk, and trust. For some, it means that it will be easier for a woman to be her true, genuine soul. Number 9. She is respectable. Mutual respect is a key element of a healthy relationship. If you and your significant other struggle to respect each other's bodies and boundaries, you will not fall in love with one. Men love women who truly listen and respond to them. Men are especially wary of women who humiliate, embarrass, or fool them in public. Many men are sensitive to criticism and are overly proud. But if done with respect, creative criticism from their loved ones can make them better people, lovers, brothers, fathers, and men. Number 10. Her positive personality. In addition to helping a man achieve his dreams and goals, the perfect woman also has her own goals. The perfect woman has a clear vision of her future and resolutely pursues it. It's not necessarily a job or a profession, it's something she is passionate about. Men are attracted to women who challenge their thoughts, arouse their emotions in a positive way, and run for their money. That is what helps her become a winner in her life. Number 11. Want to see him happy. One of the things that men love about women is that they want to see them do the little things that make him smile. Texting him all day or cooking his favorite food for no reason when he can't sleep. It doesn't have to be as fancy as giving him a massage, only small actions that show your love for him will suffice. Number 12. Her femininity. A woman is as feminine as a boy appreciates a woman and a woman appreciates a man. The comfort of her body makes her powerful and attractive. Note that this is not related to weakness or humility. It also includes showing that women have a confident attitude and attitude when they feel sexy. Your sensitive and loving side to others around you. We all have multiple personalities, and it is greatly appreciated when we show it. The loving and caring side of a man loving a woman. The trait that men love in women is that the first thing men notice about someone they like is that they vary from woman to person. Maybe it's her smile, her looks, or her personality. Number 13. Loving and loving. Love is very important in a relationship. Hugging, holding hands, and being physically close to your partner can go a long way. It makes a connection. It was a warm, loving feeling. No man wants to have a relationship with a woman who shrugs her shoulders while holding his hand or always needs space from him. Different things make different people happy. But once the honeymoon is over and the relationship is developed, all men need is love. Number 14. She is sensitive and understanding. Supporting, empathizing with, and encouraging your significant other plays a vital role in building a successful and joyful relationship. Men want women who will support them in their endeavors or in their needs. Life is full of difficulties and challenges that any strong couple, especially a seriously committed couple, can face together. Men sometimes need a shoulder to cry on. Number 15. She is sociable and friendly. Men like to be sociable and their partner likes to be by their side. So, naturally, they hang out together in bars or restaurants and sometimes clash with people they know. However, men do not like to worry about any attitude of their girlfriend or wife towards their friend. They do not want their partner to turn her nose or be lazy or short with his loved ones. It is important that she keeps his image in front of others. Needless to say, men should have the same qualities. He should give that same courtesy and respect to her family, friends, employees, and anyone else in her life. Number 16. She is kind. Men love thoughtful, caring, loving, and kind women. A woman who loves her man and does little things for him for another reason. A woman who smiles with him every time and gives him a smile again. A woman who radiates love and warmth from the heart. It is such a woman that a man is tempted to marry. There is no denying that a person's appearance may initially attract another person to them. It is not easy to get to know a good personality through the room. Number 17. She has a beauty face. A beautiful, clean, and pleasant face often gets rid of murder. While this is definitely not the highest demand, men are attracted to women who are trying to look attractive. Of course, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but that does not mean you have to walk around with unwashed hair and unbroken teeth. Take care of yourself because you deserve it. Number 18. She listens to him. Active listening to what your partner is saying, not just listening without a mind, is key to a successful relationship. An ideal life partner listens to someone's problems without reacting too harshly or too quickly. It helps them to solve any problem safely or without anger. When a man feels insecure or has a partner who can listen to him when a woman does something he does not like, this proves to be extremely valuable. Number 19. She cares for family and friend. Of course, not every woman is close to his family, and it does not make her a bad woman at all. However, every man appreciates a woman who values his family as well as his own. Of course, no one from a violent family should be judged or punished. However, the quality of having a strong, healthy relationship with friends and family is appreciated by everyone. Number 20. She is supportive. A relationship consists of two people with their own dreams, desires, and goals. It is extremely important that both members of a relationship support each other. This will help them both improve. Having a partner who supports, encourages, and helps a man to trust in himself will enable him to overcome obstacles and push through his insecurity and self-doubt to make his dreams come true. Number 21. She communicates with him. Open and honest communication is the key to a happy relationship. If you and your significant other are to build a life together, it is essential that you feel comfortable communicating with each other. Holding an honest conversation requires a great deal of openness, trust, risk, and self-awareness.